Hello everyone, Bug Whisperer here. I'm a software engineer, and in this YouTube series what I'm going to do is I'll take a project that I'm currently working on, and then I'll break all the specific features down and plan the whole project, and then I will implement each of the functionalities, and then finally I will deploy the project. In this series I will use React in my front end and Nest.js in my back end, and for database I will use PostgreSQL because that's one of the best SQL databases out there. So let's talk about the project that I'll be working on in this series. So this is a science club project, and I actually made this project a year ago, but I have to update this because I created this in Laravel and it's not fast enough. So let's go through the individual features. There is an archive section where you have blogs, articles, resources, and frequently asked questions. And these things look something like this. As you can see, this image is broken. There is no image here. Anyway, the article is quite the same. There is also a compete section where admins can add like new problems, and it works as a problem archive, and students who want to learn mathematics or science, they can practice, like they can solve these problems and submit them and also get scores. For example, let's just say here a equals to b and 10 and b equals to 11, and the value of a plus b will be 21. So if I submit that, our solution will be correct and I'll get one score. So that's the compete section, and there are like admin panel, article drafts, blog drafts, and stuff like that. um, I don't think we have to go through all of these things. We'll get to them one by one. And here is the project breakdown. And yeah, so the new feature that I have to create, that is online contest management. So basically you set up problems for the contests, and then you manage the contests. Users can log in and participate in this live contests. There will be live rankings, and I'll probably have to use WebSockets or something like that to implement this feature. And this is the like project description. What I'll do is I'll link this to Google Sheets in my YouTube video description. So yeah, let's get started. So what I have done so far is I have created two empty GitHub repositories. I'll be using GitHub, by the way, and these repositories are public. I'll also link them in my video. So yeah, let's just start with our front end. In my first few videos I'll probably only do like front end stuff. So yeah, so before like cloning this, let's go to documents and then projects and then personal, because it's a personal project. And as you can see, we have a few things here. So I already created this Boson club. I will not be using this Boson club FE, so I'm just gonna delete this and I'll do everything from the start. So rm rf Boson club FE. Yeah, so now I'll go inside Boson club and I will create a React project using Vite. So I'm using Yarn, by the way. So I can do something like this. I'll definitely use React TypeScript, and then instead of giving a name, I wanted to make I want to give this name, and the name must match this one. So Boson Club FE. fee, and let's enter. So it's going to create a React scaffolding of some sort, ls, and now we're going to take this project and open that with our WebStorm. Okay, here, 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 and this one. New window. Okay, so yeah, this already comes with the git ignore file and stuff like that, so that's fine. I will show you something, but before that I'll link this one with my GitHub account, or my GitHub repository to be specific. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is run git init initialized git. Okay, so git add, so I'll git I'll add all the files, and that with Vite. So after committing this, now I copy this, and then I do this basically, and then I will do this. Okay, so I set the main branch to be main. Now yeah, that should work. Okay, so now if we refresh this, I should be able to get this scaffolding, and yeah, that's that. And now we're gonna install the package.json. Let's see what's inside here. So there are a few dev dependencies, and then React and React DOM, nothing else. That's fine. Clear yarn install. It's gonna install all of these projects, and yeah, while it's installing, I'll show you something. This is another project that I worked on, and what I'm gonna show you is the way I structure my React application. So inside my source folder, I have a few subfolders here. Well, first of all, app.tsx and main.tsx, they are like the default tsx files. Here this is the entry point of my React project, and our app component will be here. I'll add all the global things that I need to add here, and inside this source folder there is a config folder, and here there will be the configuration files, for example axios, and then environmental variables, and then this is a theme. I'll use maintain, so I'll get to that later. Guards, these are the like authentication guards, or like other guards for admins, authors, and this is like high level components. So like the components that require authentication will inherit this component. I'll come to that later as well. It's layouts, it's quite like self explanatory. It will be our layouts folder, and inside our pages folder we will have admin pages, default pages, maybe author pages, and there can also be like common pages. In this specific as project I didn't need common pages, so I didn't use it. Redux, routes, and shared folder. And inside my shared folder I will have assets, components, constants, and images. Basically the components that I'll be sharing in like more than one page, and if any of the pages have their own components that will not be used in any other pages, then I will like create those components inside that folder. For example, here, yeah, so in this st management, as you can see, I have added this all st table, which is like, or like this upload stcsv file, which is only been used in this specific component. So I have like kept it like here. So yeah, that's the general project description that I'll be using. If you have any comments or any suggestions, you can give me. So yeah, so this is done. Let's run this. So I think it's yarn dev. Let's check. So yeah, yarn dev, and let's go to the local host, whatever that is. So yeah, so our react is running. And yeah, so in our next video what I'm going to do is I will install the packages that I need. I will add Mantine, I will add JWT decode, Axios, data tables, React, Redux, and routers, and styled components, stuff like that. So until next time, I'll see you again. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good day.